Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi power bank. First, ensure your power bank is fully charged. This usually takes several hours for a complete charge. Next, find the power button, typically on the side or front, and press it firmly to activate the device. You should see indicator lights illuminate, confirming it is powered on and ready for the next steps. These lights often show battery level and Wi-Fi status, giving you one quick visual check. Now let's connect your devices. On your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings and scan for available networks. You'll typically find a network named something like Wi-Fi power bank or a unique identifier. Select this network, and if prompted, enter the default password. This password is usually printed in the user manual or on a sticker on the device itself. Once connected, you can access its features. Many Wi-Fi power banks offer additional functionality through a dedicated mobile application. Download this app to unlock features like file management, streaming, and even remote control. You can access files stored on the power bank's SD card or USB drive directly through the app, or by typing its IP address into a web browser. This allows you to easily share photos, videos, and documents with up to 5 devices simultaneously, making it perfect for group travel. To ensure your Wi-Fi power bank lasts for years, proper maintenance is key. Always recharge it regularly, even if not fully depleted, to preserve battery longevity. Store the device in a cool, dry environment, avoiding direct sunlight or extreme cold, which can degrade the battery. Periodically check for and install any available firmware updates. These often improve performance, add new features, and enhance security, keeping your device running smoothly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.